All right, so market starts in 2 minutes. Let's have a quick look at what's happening. We look at GIF Nifty. GIF Nifty indicates a positive start, but by 0.34%. Dow Jones is trading flat, bit but positive, and then we have Japan, which is about 2.5%. It's always booming, and then we have China. So the Japan is an interesting market. Sometimes it's up about 2.5%, and other days it's down by 3%. The kind of volatility in Japan is crazy right now. But anyhow, then there is Hang Seng, which is about 1%, 1.90. So yeah, of course, I think that's in the back of China's stimulus. If you look at the gold is trading flat, crude is flat, Brent is flat. If you look at the news, then we see, what do we see? We see top news, all news is Microsoft backed OpenAI CTO Mira Murthy resigns. Okay, who cares? And then there is a wire prolonged strike in a Seattle factory. Okay, these are like about the Boeing strike, and I think it's about Air India and Akasa Airlines. They had both had substantial orders for Boeing, and that's the business depends on getting the planes for Boeing. So yeah, that's that. Tata Motors owned JLR to spend 669 in retooling. Okay, I don't know how market will take it. I mean, it could be a positive development and it could be a negative depending how they are fending and what returns are they likely to get out of it. And I generally don't invest in. I generally don't invest in I generally don't invest in motor companies. I don't understand certain industries. I just don't invest in them. And there's no like, and people have made tons of money in automobile. It's a great industry. It's just that I don't understand it that well. And now, if you look at the top news, stock radar, we know Vedanta is doing what? I think Vedanta is Ask Automotive selling about this stake 6% at a floor price of 433. Okay, so this will decline a bit today, or how much I have no idea. Five Star Business Finance will also decline. PB Fintech will also uh, sell in 5 star. I don't know, man. That could be a good thing. I don't know if it'll decline or not decline. PB Fintech, I don't like this company. I think it's a pretty useless company. And I don't like this company because the valuations are crazy. It doesn't make sense to me. It's about 3,249 PE. 78,000 is their market cap. If I look at the revenue that they're generating only 110 crores of revenue. How can I pay 80,000 crore for a business that is generating 110 crore, even despite the future potential? Because I really don't know how the future will pan out. I don't know what the regulatory changes we are looking at. We're not looking at the company. We're not looking at the we are not consumer behavior. There's thousand things to kind of give that kind of valuation. I just don't understand it. But I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm wrong because people are making money from it, and probably it's a great company. But they're planning to get into healthcare, and I just think it's an announcement to help their stupid stock. Adani Green Energy, I have no idea. I don't check that. Vedanta is giving some dividends. SpiceJet and SpiceJet, Carlyle has sold the stake, so I don't even know why anybody will buy SpiceJet for that. Man, the company is hardly surviving. It's not even surviving. It's like in debt. It's like cash and carry. It doesn't even have accounts with airports. It provides literal cash to actually fly out of airports. It's in that bad state. So anyway, I'm not sure. Then there is IDFC. The merger has been approved, so it might go up as or down. I don't know. I again don't check this sector much. I basically look into a lot of capital goods sector, electronics and capital goods and technology, and fintech. I just don't get a lot of these other businesses. It's very difficult. But anyway, so that's that. There's like all this stuff that's happening. Then look at what are they talking about. What else is happening? Okay, so it's 9:02. Let's see if the markets have opened or if it's showing on my app right now, because it'll be showing on my Zero Other or somewhere. But let's see what the markets have opened to, if it shows here. Oh wow, so Sensex is up about 0.16%, Nifty is down about 0.09%, and then your GIF Nifty is still up by 0.30%. So okay, we are onto something here. And Easy Trip declined by 16% yesterday because again the promoter decided to sell some stake. Is that about it? Is there any other news for the day? PB Fintech, I'm not. Ask Automotive, we've discussed. They're selling their stocks, and it's gonna probably decline. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else? Is there something else? Okay, that's like a lot of this is nonsense in that sense that There's not enough juice right now, but that's about it, and that's that. So that is where we are on 26th September 2024. And India's gold imports more than triple in August. That's because they're also expecting the prices to rise. So they're going to buy a lot more today and then keep it with them. Okay, fine. Okay. So that's about it. You can see the rest of the news is pretty